How to remove live event on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application and Facebook homepage. Go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon and settings and privacy. Okay, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in about, okay, scroll down and go to live event section. Here you can see the live event you created before. And if you want to remove, so for my example, I remove this started job at Tayabas, Quezon. So okay, to remove this, you'll have to do is tap this and tap the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and the pop-up below are show and tap the delete button and another pop-up. Okay, this post will be deleted and you won't be able to find it anymore. You can also edit this post if you just want to change something. So okay, you'll have to do to delete or remove the live event on your Facebook profile. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the delete post button on the pop-up and that's it. Okay, we have successfully removed live event on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.